What's up everybody, just arrived to Padma, Legian, thank you so much. Just 5 seconds, less than 5 seconds, the guy without the helmet asking me if I want to have a taxi, bike taxi. Anyways, Azul Beach Club, Bali Mandira Hotel is at the front of me. Pretty busy enough, beautiful weather recently. The construction of the wall is nearly finishing here. Basically I'm gonna have a stroll around, gonna make a little loop, passing the garlic lane for everybody who are familiar and missing Legian, especially Padma. This is especially for you today. Yeah, what I'm gonna tell you, enjoy. That's the last view of this particular place, the beach situation like this one, the construction of the wall nearly finishing here. Gonna look like this one, red with the higher gates. Actually gates gonna be bigger and higher. Red brick, Azul, Bali Mandira, and the guests who are inside also like this one. A beautiful weather. Gonna stroll around. Basically the main gate behind me, still finishing the construction. That's the main entrance to the Bali Mandira Hotel. We can already see happy people with their beverages enjoying. This is very classical, original view of this part of Bali. Actually perfect shot, perfect snap, just to show how people do here. Bali Mandira, and then there will be the garlic lane. Also so many little kids with the kites. Makan warung, a few restaurants around. Winnie usually likes to hang out in this fresco while waiting for me, but not today unfortunately. Massage girls waiting for you, of course. So many motorbikes. Somebody have a yellow Vespa. Overall, this is it. And that's the corner of Padma Utara, North Padma, a little Australia, Poser pub. At the front also pretty busy. Electricians, that's good because no blackout, maybe thanks to them. I'm on the middle of the junction where people go, so nobody will let you go. Here you go, no helmet, no helmet, no helmet, no helmet. And the guy tried to drive into me. And the Poser pub, full of happy people. Check this out. Oh, happy to see people everywhere. Australians are back to Bali. And yeah, what I'm gonna tell you. And the garlic lane is just where is the mini mart. At the front of this looks like 7-Eleven, but Bali have no 7-Eleven. But Bali at least have a traffic jams, what other countries not necessarily have it. So this is it. But I'm gonna tell you, it's not bad, not bad. Check this out. Then this little warung, full of happy people. Here we go. I'm gonna go to Garlic Lane, which is over there. Jalan Sahadeva, that's the official name. And that's the Padma Street, just in case if you're interested of the current situation there. Pretty busy, at least a lot of cars and bikes, but also more and more people coming in. Garlic Lane starts with the suits of Australian vibes, and show my yo. That's the very local vibe little street here. Totally deserted during pandemic, totally looks better right now. A lot of people, a lot of people. Yo, yo, what's up? Yo, already people recognizing me here. So feels is good, sounds good, and overall this is like a shopping stroll street with so many shops, spas, tattoos, whatever you even can imagine, basically you can find on this street. Local 8361 is open, they refurbished, looks pretty decent right now. Very old restaurant here, but looks new now, very nice, looks good. More and more people strolling around. Basically on the street you can find so many things to buy, starting from the clothes, souvenirs, to the gadgets, accessories, fake products, everything. Basically like this one, but it's pretty busy today, I'm gonna tell you. Happy to see, definitely happy to see. And yeah, I guess that's the 19% of them, they're Australian, just simple as that. I wouldn't be surprised because this is part of Little Australia, which is nothing wrong with it, of course. They're enjoying their beverage. I cannot say what they're drinking because I got some troubles recently with YouTube. Anyways, this is the tattoo spa. Basically, this is it. This is already the end of the Garlic Lane. Garlic Lane is very short street, like maybe 600 meters or so. Very popular in the late 90s, little bit less popular now. but you can still find the people enjoying, like those here and there. Yo, what's up? How you doing? Yo! Oi, oi, oi. So they actually confirm where they're coming from, obviously. Oh, hello. And this is the end of the street, basically. This is what you can find here. Massage, little bit something different, products, stuff, everything and nothing actually to describe this shopping stroll. Just remember, nothing here is original, right? The stuff is not original. Some ladies are also not original here, the massage one. Little bit like little Pattaya here feels like, to be honest, but this is it. Then in the corner on the other side of the Legion Street, where is the Yes Spa, Carla Spa, another massage and other mini mart actually. There is the transport bikes, of course. There is construction. Somebody said the McDonald's gonna be here. No, this is gonna be Legion Golden Square, which is another art market, shopping center sort of thing like this one. Also, I'm gonna tell you, all of those people, wherever they're coming from, they are very hard workers, just sleeping and asking you for a ride. Very interesting. But this is it. This is Legion vibes. And then you're gonna go there to Legion Street, and I'm going back to the beach, to the Kuta basically. On the main street you can find so many people trying to sell you something, and also shopping strolls, also bars. Pretty, all Legion looks basically pretty the same. The only one thing what I realized is most of people who are coming here, they drinking something, and I thinking that's the main reason for coming here, for the cheaper or cheap beverages. I just wanted to say, if you ever looking to have a cheap drink starting for B, I don't know why I cannot say that loud anymore, you can go to Poland and you can buy the half liter of the good quality drink for just less than 50 cents American, which is less than 70 cents Australian. Half liter bottle. Think about that. And it's better than in many places. So, you know, and if you're looking for stronger, also you can find for very affordable prices, I could say one of the cheapest in the world. Just interesting fact. I'm not drinking either. Seriously guys, recently YouTube is very sensitive regarding the stuff 18 plus, like, you know, the beverages, smoking stuff and sexual stuff and all of stuff. So I really have to be careful what I'm saying. But if I'm talking about beverages and starting on B, drinks B, cheap one, you know what I mean. Very common drink. For some reason, so silly thing, I cannot say that out loud. Also next to Pullman Hotel feels like quite a lot of people walking here. Actually, since pandemic, I don't remember crowds here like this one, of pedestrian of course. And interesting fact is, surprisingly, road is not so busy. Maybe because the sunset is not yet, and that's the Pantai Legion Beach gate. Still under construction, still. But I believe they're gonna finish shortly. Mason Adventure building is not finished. I mean, it's abandoned. Maybe somebody will take it, maybe not. Yo, what's up, doggo? Be careful. And yeah, Bakar guy, workers still. This is the Legion Beach situation. I don't know, light conditions are very bad nowadays. Hard to face the sun recently. And doggo just enjoying on the middle of the street. I hope so nobody gonna crash into him. But this doggo is so calm, by the way. And there you're gonna go to Kuta beach walk and stuff, by the way. Except that, there's quite a lot of people, tourists, visitors who enjoying their beverages while walking on the streets. It's okay, totally nothing wrong, because this is Legion vibe. But also quite a lot, even too many people who asking you every minute about the motorbike. You wanna have a ride, you wanna need the taxi and stuff like this one. This one is back, and this one is a little bit annoying recently. But maybe because I used to live here during the pandemic when everything was so quiet, and I forgot about this one already. It was always actually like this one, Bali Legion Hotel. Also, like this one. I'm gonna jump quickly to the beach and show you the last situation before I'm gonna come back to the Bali Mandira. The situation at the front of Bali Mandira, just in case, if you maybe perhaps would really like to stay in the hotel here, you know how's the situation, how it looks like, definitely quieter than the previous hotel what I showed you, and the Azul is there, and the Bali Mandira. So this is one on the one street. Quickly gonna jump to the beach. Situation by the beach looks like this one, Tommy and Sarah, chocolate bar. Actually, I should face opposite way, but there you can find people actually more and more visitors. Of course, so many Australian flags and stuff. Even Uncle Chan opened his bar again. I don't know if he's still making a video though. Maybe some of you made. Let me know. I will check this out actually. And overall, this is the situation by the beach, at the front of the Azul Beach Club. Cozy, moderate, enjoyable. Sunset gonna be in 45 minutes. Yeah, basically you can find quite a lot of people, more and more coming. Maybe not quite a lot, of still quiet to the before pandemic times, but after post-pandemic times it's pretty busy, or busy enough. Some people enjoy it. I could say like 40% better than zero, right? And yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching, listening. It's pretty hot though. It's getting already hotter each day, each week, so it's more difficult, but this is it. Thanks so much. See you on next one. See ya.